No, thank you.
All right, thank you. We appreciate your business. You have a good day.
Will do.
We were saying we were so pretty with that blonde hair, girl. Thank you.
Meanwhile, POS is steadily blowing her phone up daily, but she's not responding to him. I'd see her check her phone often, then quickly put it away. Meanwhile, phase 2 of the plan was now officially complete. The divorce papers were done. I'd found